With the centre console out, it's time to remove the parking brake. Before you remove the parking brake lever, you must chock the wheels of the car to stop it rolling. The handbrake will be released and the car will be free to move. Use a couple of blocks of wood or wedges. The carpet just pulls back around the handbrake. We will then undo this screw to remove the plastic cover. Exposing the mechanism. There's a switch on the handbrake which is triggered whenever the handbrake is on, so we'll remove that by undoing this screw and lifting out the switch. In here we've got an adjusting nut and a clip that holds it. We can slide the clip up like this, just release that. It's tricky. There we go. And now we remove the adjusting nut, which is used to adjust the strength of the handbrake. There's 3 bolts that hold the handbrake mechanism on. We'll loosen all 3 and we can remove the mechanism. With the bolts removed, the mechanism is now free and we can pull the handbrake cable out of the bottom, removing the mechanism. To remove a handbrake button, you simply unscrew the button, many turns, keeping a tight grip on it because there's a spring inside. As the button comes off, we don't want it to ping across the room. It becomes loose. Remove the spring, and that is the button removed. To refit, we simply install the spring, push down the button, and screw it clockwise to reinstall.